In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a DocuSign signature, Validate Signatures 2025 Guide. First, open your web browser and go to your DocuSign account. Sign in if you aren't already. You'll land on the DocuSign home area, which shows recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct account or workspace where the document was sent or received. If your organization uses multiple environments, confirm you're in the production account where the actual agreement lives. A stable connection helps here because the status indicators update in real time. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Agreements. Depending on your plan or layout, this may appear on the left navigation. Agreements is where DocuSign organizes envelopes and documents so you can quickly see what's waiting, what's sent, and what's finished. If you have a lot of items, the search bar and filters can narrow things down by name, date, or status, which is helpful when you're verifying a specific file. Next, find and open the file you want to verify. Click directly on the document or envelope name to view its details. This page is your single source of truth for the item. You'll see who the recipients are, the sequence of signing if it's set up that way, and the current status. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the right file by checking the title and any reference fields your team uses. Now here's the key part. Look for the check indicator and the completed status. When you see that check, it means all required signers have finished and DocuSign has applied its tamper evidence seal. In other words, the signing process is complete and the signatures are verified within DocuSign. If anything were changed after completion, the system would flag it and you wouldn't see the completed check mark. This check is what most teams use as the official confirmation that signatures are valid and the envelope is finalized. If you don't see a check, the document may still be in progress, waiting on someone to sign, or it could be voided or declined. Give the page a quick refresh if you're expecting a recent update. If you're collaborating with others, confirm that all intended recipients were included and that their signing order, if any, is correct. To wrap up, verifying a DocuSign signature is as simple as opening your account, heading to Agreements, selecting the file, and confirming the check and completed status. That's your built-in validation that the document is fully executed and secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you work.